Assalamu alaikum, everyone, and welcome to our channel, Bilradatillah, where we explore the spiritual secrets that can transform your life. Today, I'll share with you a nearly forgotten, but incredibly powerful practice, linked to Surah Al-Kawthar, a chapter that contains within it the secret of divine abundance. You'll discover a simple method that could extend your life and attract incredible blessings into every aspect of your existence. This simple practice may seem modest, but it is incredibly powerful. Repeating this phrase in honor of Allah's generosity creates a deep spiritual connection. But beware, what I am about to reveal requires faith and commitment. Stay until the end, because that's when I'll unveil why this practice works and how you can apply it to unlock unexpected opportunities in your life. Surah Al-Kawthar, known as the chapter of abundance, is one of the shortest chapters in the Quran. But don't be deceived by its brevity, it hides a power that few people know or use in their daily lives. This power is encapsulated in a key phrase.
إِنَّا أَعْطَيْنَاكَ الْكَوْثَرَ.
Indeed, we have granted you abundance. Imagine a sealed door, behind which lies an infinite source of blessing. Reciting this phrase 101 times daily is like having a spiritual key to open this door and let that abundance flow into your life. What is the profound meaning behind this practice? I'll explain in just a moment. Surah Al-Kawthar, meaning abundance, highlights Allah's immense gift to us. In this chapter, Allah assures us that He has granted us the best. It serves as a reminder that everything we have, health, opportunities, family, or success, comes solely from Him. Here's the secret many overlook: reciting this phrase sincerely not only attracts spiritual blessings, but also impacts your mindset, actions, and even your environment. With every recitation, you anchor an unshakable faith in Allah's infinite generosity. This faith creates a field of positivity that can literally transform your life. Each time you recite this phrase, remember that you are invoking divine abundance and Allah's generosity into your life. You open your heart to a life filled with blessings, success, and fulfillment. What benefits can you expect? Here's what traditions report and experiences confirm. 1. A longer life. Regular recitation is known to ward off calamities and protect against illnesses. 2. Prosperity in all areas. Attract blessings, unexpected opportunities, and material well-being. 3. Strengthen divine connection. Open your heart to receive divine guidance, essential for making better decisions. Now, imagine this: you start this practice today, and within weeks, you notice changes in your life, not just outwardly, but inwardly too. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? But wait, there's more. Here's what makes this practice even more powerful: when you recite,
إِنَّا أَعْطَيْنَاكَ الْكَوْثَرَ.
meditate on what abundance means to you. Is it health? Financial stability? Inner peace? Visualize these blessings as already manifesting in your life. Recite these words with a clear intention and sincere gratitude. This combination, intention plus recitation, turns this practice into a spiritual catalyst for tangible results. You now have a powerful and accessible method in your hands. Try it for 7 days and observe how things begin to change around you. I invite you to share your experiences in the comments. By practicing with faith and intention, you open yourself to a life rich in blessings and opportunities. If this video has inspired you, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. May the peace and blessings of Allah be upon you, and may Allah's light guide each of your steps.